Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having Filipino spaghetti. I'm super excited. It's my first time ever making Filipino spaghetti. I've had Filipino spaghetti at Jollibee. This is homemade, so I have hot dogs, onions, garlic, pasta. And I got some Filipino spaghetti sauce, and I got some garlic bread. Basically, it's like a sourdough with melted butter and garlic. And a simple salad with French dressing. But I'm eager to try the spaghetti, guys. So let's try it out. It was fun to make. I never made hot dogs. I never put hot dogs in spaghetti before. Really interesting. Let's try it out. Wow. That is so much better than Jollibee. Maybe because it's homemade, right? And we're filming outside. It's just easier. People like outside videos. The only problem sometimes with outside, you can't really see the food very well, like the salad. It's not really showing up. But I think I showed you a clip before, so hopefully that's okay. Let's try some bread. That's good. Today, I didn't eat anything all day until like around 5:30 or 6. Trying to fast. You know, it's healthy, I guess, not to eat for a while. Anybody here fast? Let me know. So I watched a bunch of Filipino videos on how to make this. This recipe was inspired by Busy Eats. She has a YouTube channel. If you guys are into Filipino food, she is definitely posts Filipino recipes on her channel. And mukbangs, if you want to know that. She also filmed the Filipino spaghetti recipe. Then she also has TikTok. And she also recently filmed a TikTok video on how to make Filipino spaghetti. I did follow her TikTok recipe because it was just super easy, and for one person, I wasn't sure if I would like it. I wasn't sure if I would like this, so I wanted to do something simple. And this spaghetti sauce, the Jollibee, no, sorry, the Filipino pasta sauce was, I forgot what store I bought that at, but it was only $1.99, so it wasn't too expensive, I guess. I watched a few recipes on how to make Filipino spaghetti. I chose Busy Eats because it was a very simple recipe, but some people, I noticed that they fry their hot dogs first, so it's like really crispy. That kind of actually just sound kind of good, like, you know, like how you fry Spam, you know? Some people chop the onions weird. Not weird, sorry. Different shapes. Some really small, some medium, some really big. Busy Eats TikTok video. She cut them really big. So I didn't cut them, I guess medium, not too big, not too small. And most people add on the video, I've seen a lot of cheese at the very end, like the shredded cheddar cheese, and that's what I did. I always liked big onions and spaghetti. I don't know why. It's just really cool, you know. I also got the cheapest hot dogs because I don't eat a lot of hot dogs, so. Drinking water. Tonight's trash night, so people are taking their trash out. You might hear some people taking their trash out. For some salad, this is very simple salad. I added some banana peppers and like shredded cheese, but it's very basic. With ranch dressing. I always try to like to have salad with spaghetti. What about you guys? So I'm trying to do 8 videos. I'm trying to figure out what else I can do. I think I'm going to put 3 breakfast videos on my Filipino series. If you guys are new or don't know, I'm planning to film, either make or go get some Filipino dishes, like at restaurants or whatever. Maybe a bakery, maybe make some breakfast. So far I have 3 breakfast videos and 2 Jollibees and a spaghetti. So I'm trying to figure out what else I can do. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I think I'm going to extend it for 3 months, but I'm not sure. But if I do that, it's just going to it's just going to delay the videos longer. But I'm not sure I want to do that, but I might. I really love this garlic bread. It's really good. All right, just more of the salad. When I usually eat meals, I save the best for last, so I'm trying to finish the salad first. I would say the salad is the least favorite of the meal. Try some spaghetti on the garlic bread. I'm not sure. It might need more sauce. Let me know, guys, if it's a little bit too dry. It might be. If you guys ever made Filipino spaghetti, let me know how it looks. Did I do a good job or not? It's good. Mm. So today's Monday. I didn't really, well, besides working and not eating all day, that was really hard. I definitely crashed at the end of the afternoon. I was very tired. Besides that, pretty good Monday. My sister's into this fasting. I thought I would try it out. But my other sister and my mom did not want to do fasting at all. They're like, no. My sister has a tendency to talk to other family members about doing certain subjects or things like eating healthy or you should do this, you should do that, like that. But I figured, you know, I've been kind of bloated lately because I just eat not too healthy. I do these videos for you guys, so a lot of the foods are not super healthy. If somebody wanted me to do Taco Bell video, and that's fast food, not super healthy. So my stomach gets bloated, but I love doing these videos for you guys. They're fun. And some people like mukbangers quit because this one recently posted a video like why she quit mukbangs because all she could think about was food and stuffing herself on a video, and she didn't want to feel like that anymore, you know. And I definitely thought about that. Sometimes I feel like I want to quit because I want to eat healthy sometimes. Not every day. I want to eat fast food, you know. But the problem is most of my videos are a lot of fast food, and people, they request me to do fast food, so it's a little bit difficult. But sometimes I'll take a break and not do fast food for a week or something, you know. Very yummy. Better than I expected, honestly. I kind of want to make more Filipino videos, but I don't want it to be like, this was super easy. I don't want to make a video where it's like really hard and like a lot of steps, a lot of work. If I could do an easy Filipino recipe, I'll do it. It's sticking together. a lot of cheese on here, and I can taste the cheese. It's like a lot. That's very good. Mm-hmm. Mmm. The hot dogs, I'll probably use a better quality. I got the cheapest. Well. Mm-hmm. Mm. Very good. Alright guys, that was really good. Better than I expected. Because I taste the sauce as I was cooking it. It was kind of like pasty. But everything just, after a while, just mixed really well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what else I should try for Filipino. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.